On to the air compressor project. So the motor I had on here, the 7.5 horsepower motor, the centrifugal clutch is shot. So I got this motor. The issue I'm running into right now is this motor has a 5/8 shaft as to where the other one used to be larger. Because this motor is less horsepower, I got a smaller pulley for it. But the pulley I got has a 1/2 inch shaft. So I need to make this hole larger. I don't have a drill bit the same size as that, but I do have an annular cutter. So in order to get this annular cutter to drill a centered hole on this pulley, I need to find a way to make a slug that fits this that I can use to center it. That's where this annular cutter comes into play. No, I don't have any pulley.